country roads. No? There we go. To the place where I belong. Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. What are you doing today?
What up, fellas? I'm hiking on a trail.
Okay, you're bad at this.
I don't do intros.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Austin Does, back at it again.
Thank you for filming our lunch.
This lunch brought to you by Kroger.
You too much salt, you could be hyper. Let me have some pectin.
Use code Austin Does.
It's trail mix is worthless. It has no chocolate.
Yeah, it's not trail mix, it's mixed nuts. You know what keeps us sustained? Smashing that like button. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can use that in your video, Austin.
Thank you.